So of course we're going to collaborate with our stakeholders at every stage, right? And we're going to do that by conducting stakeholder interviews. Okay, so we're going to form little groups. Perhaps we'll call them focus groups, right? A smattering of attendees, a group of exhibitors, you know, get some sponsors together, each individually, right? Each group individually. So we can find out what their issues are and their interests, right? So we'll include those who have an impact on event success. No, we're not going to call the Uber driver, the pizza guy in, right? So we're going to ask our stakeholders, right, what are their interests, issues, and priorities, right? We're going to try and do this face-to-face. These days, right, we could do a Zoom call where we're actually using video. Again, right, I just, want to be in my pajamas when I do this with you. So I don't turn my hair is like up on top of my head. I'm not wearing any makeup. But certainly this is a great, that's great. That is a really good visual thing, Amanda. I love that. Yeah, and that's the point. I want you guys to be comfortable. And so if we all have to look, really great for this, then that's just not going to work, right? If you think everybody is watching you, that's just not fun. It's the end of the day, for God's sakes, right? So do try to do it face-to-face. If you can't be in the same room, we have technology, right? So collect the information that you're talking about into a profile and use that, right, to help implement the event. Okay, so at some point, right, there's going to kind of be this gap, right? They're going to say, well, this is what you're trying to do. Your stakeholders are going to say it to you. You've come this far, but you haven't really gotten there yet, right? And so we want to do that gap analysis. We want to figure out how we can bridge between the objectives and the outcomes that maybe aren't quite getting there.